Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set low power mode on iPhone automatically. So if you want to set your iPhone low power mode to turn on automatically, then this is what you need to do. First, you need to go ahead and open the shortcut application. And then once you open that, go ahead and click on automation. Under automation, click on new automation. Now you want to scroll through and then select battery level. Once you selected battery level, go ahead and select run immediately. Then come to where you see when the battery level is, just reduce it to maybe equals 10% or 5%, and then select what you want to happen. So here, once your battery percent is 15%, this is going to turn on this automation. Click on next. Now, after that, come here and search for set low power mode. And then select it. Then it should say one automation enable on your iPhone. Turn low power mode. If this is set to off, like this, just go ahead and click on it once to set this to on. Then if you click on play, you will be able to verify this automation. You see that? So to activate this, just click on the check mark at top right. Then it should say when battery level is 15%, this is going to turn on low power mode. Then when next your iPhone battery percent is 15%, or based on your preference, the low power mode is going to turn on automatically. So if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.